out here at Milan Dragway. They redid a lot of this stuff. It's all new owners. It looks like right now the actual timing system's not really working, but we're just flag dropping pretty much right now, arm dropping. Old school stuff, but no times right now, but it should be a good time. I forgot my draggy as well, so I really don't know what I'm going to be running right now. Quite a few bikes out, not too many. Got the old fatbob out here. First time it's been on the track since the rebuild. None of my 128s have been on the track. Solid run right there, no spinning, no nothing, just straight hooking. I don't know what it ran, I don't think, because of no times, I guess. It's a road glide. Pretty solid run. Should I clean that up? Carbon. Huh?
I said carbon.
Island. It's a beautiful day. Finally got the bike out on the track. Unfortunately, the timing system right now is not working, so we're just flag dropping and whatnot. They got hit with some lightning or whatever, and I don't know if they got the part in stock or if it showed up or whatever, but as of right now, I went against two different bikes. Hold on. Two different bikes, and we won both races, so It should be a good time. Thing is slow as fuck, bro. Right back in the lanes, boys. Let's fucking send her again. Let's fucking keep it running, boys. I feel a fucking animal. Hello. Putting bus links on people, not caring. Pretty good. We've made like 5 or 6 passes. We have pretty much annihilated any competition. It's pretty much slow. Still making more passes. Got 6 or 7 in, maybe 5 or 6. Ran some road glides, road bikes. Missed second. I didn't really miss second, I just forgot to shift. truck of it. Nitrous boy just got slapped. Against a road glide. I don't know what was done to it, but so there's still no times, but it looks like they got the tree to work, sort of, not really. We're just gonna go straight back into the line. Straight back to the line. Truck over there looking good. Did a lot of work here to Milan. It's really looking good. All this new asphalt here. Stage lanes. They got some new concrete on the track up there. It's not a huge turnout today, but it's pretty fun. It's a blast right now. It was a little hot earlier. It was kind of miserable, but we're getting through that now, and we're cooking along. Looks like they may have the lights working, but I don't know about the ETs. I've been running all night, and I've been pretty much gapping everybody. I don't know what I'm running. No, I forgot to bring my draggy. I didn't bring the draggy, so I really don't know what exactly I'm running. right there. Kind of pissed there's no ET right now, but it's all good. I think that's probably the last run of the night. Beautiful day for some racing. I'm glad I finally got this bike out on the strip. I'm kind of annoyed that I don't know exactly what it's running, but all I know is it's running. She is running and she is slow. That is all I can say. Overall, today was a great day over at Milan Dragway. They did a lot of work to this track. Look at this beautiful asphalt. They did a bunch of new concrete work over there. It's awesome to see this track actually getting the attention it really needs. The newer owners seem pretty cool, and excited to see where this place goes. I'm gonna do the outro again, I guess. It's been a beautiful day out here at Milan Drag. Put the Gapplebees on multiple different bikes. Gapped a nitrous bike pretty good. It's gonna be pulling up to my truck here in a second, get her all loaded up, and get on home. Then like I said, there was no ET here today, unfortunately, so I still don't know exactly what this bike is running. But when I had the 114 motor in and a cam, it was running 11.4 miles. It should be quite a bit faster than that. I'm not claiming anything until I get that slip in my hand. So with that being said, rolling up to the truck now. Hope you guys enjoy this video that I be putting up, and it should be a great video and a great time.